Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can make your Twitter likes private. So before I show you the way, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once a new video releases. And without any further ado, let's start the video and watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. So let's start the video. Like, you cannot make a Twitter like private. Let me show you. I go on Kevin Axel's profile over here. Let me go to his account and I go on likes over here, and it's gonna show me all the video, all the tweets he liked over here. So basically Twitter has a feature, if you like something in Twitter, then it's gonna be shown on your feed over here like publicly. Twitter likes are public. There is no way you can make it private. Like, I don't know why, but Twitter hasn't provided a feature where you can make your likes private. So if you like something on Twitter, it is gonna be shown to everybody. So to hide from it, basically what you can do is create a dummy Twitter account. By dummy Twitter account, I mean create a secondary Twitter account which has no connection with your main account, and use it for your public use. And the other account, your main account, don't like any tweet or anything, like which you don't want other people to see publicly. Don't like those tweets, okay? And on your dummy account, you can like as much tweets, as much thing you want on Twitter, because it's your dummy account and nobody will know if that is you or not. So that's the only way to get around this thing. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can make your Twitter likes private, by making another account, a dummy account, and then liking from it. And from a main account, only like those content which you think are fitting that your friends can see. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, have a nice day.